Almost all of us can benefit from changing our style as we get older, and this little table is no exception. Watch me bring this little beauty into the 21st century. I'm guessing that this little table is a little bit younger than I am, and just like me, it was super groovy looking back in the 1970s. But now it looks, well, dated. With that said, this table is really well made. It's got dovetail drawer joints, it's made of solid wood throughout, and its joinery is tight as a drum. It's just that this honey maple finish craze has kind of gone the way of the lava lamp. So I'm going to use my Fuji sprayer to add a coat of paint to this table and give it a new lease on life. Why a sprayer rather than a brush? Because it will make the job easier, but more importantly, it will do a better job. Spindles are especially hard to paint well with a brush. To get started, I need to prep the piece. I need to remove all the hardware, one piece in this case. Then I need to clean it completely. I'm going to start with a spray cleaner like a Windex or something like that, and then I'm going to wipe it down with denatured alcohol or mineral spirits to remove other contaminants. I've outfitted the spray gun with a 1.8 millimeter spray tip, which is right in the middle of the spray tip spectrum and should work just about perfectly with the paint I've selected. I'm mixing the paint with some water just to thin it a bit, and then I'll strain it through the cone filter. So even though the HVLP technology of the Fuji gun puts more paint on the surface of the project and less overspray, it's still a good idea to have a tent or some way to control the paint in your shop. It just keeps it clean. Also, with the Fuji system, you need to keep this turbine well away from the area that you're spraying. You might be thinking that that thing does not look like the table. And you would be right, of course. I'm testing both the paint mixture and getting used to painting spindles with the gun. Runs are annoying to fix, but a good coat of paint is a must. With the testing a success, it's now on to spraying the real thing. I like to use what I call the Goldilocks method of spraying. I hold the gun not too close, but not too far away. I don't put on too little paint and not too much. And it's important to know, start your spray pass off the table and then move the spray onto the piece. Well, I'm almost done. I have a great coat of paint on this table, but I want to accent that paint color with some colored wax. This wax works really well with the turned legs and the accent buttons. So that's it. I used my Fuji HVLP sprayer to breathe new life into an old table. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworkers Journal. Thank you for watching.